Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Word Chapter 1 Hand on Exercise 1 Simulation Training. So open the Word Chapter 1. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So Word Chapter 1 Hand on Exercise 1 Simulation Training. So total question is 4. We move to the question number 1. Open the words is located in the document folders. So go to the file tabs and click the opens, click the browse, and next is Word and cover documents and click the opens. So next is show the non-printing characters, the show the non-printing character, and next is click the insert tabs and insert the text from a file's word and letter located in the document folder. So go to the insert tabs and click the insert the text from a files, insert the text from a files and word one letter and click the insert and save the files and click the save as and click the browse and click the save. So question number 1 is complete. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is position the insertion point after the sentence ending in cell A4 at the end of the second body paragraph and space and types. Position the insertion after the cells A4 and second body of paragraph and press space bars and after the end of the second body paragraph and space bar. So the cell efforts cell effort and press space bar and next is type the specific area. So type the specific area in which I have work include. And next select and delete the first 5 line and text beginning in the MA and ending with the aliens@the rate of centrelink.net. So select and delete the first 5 line and delete the first 5 line, press delete. Select and delete the first line beginning of the MA. So question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is click the replace in the editing groups on the home tab. So go to the home tabs and editing groups and click the find what is. So open the find what dialog box and replace and find what is website. Find what dialog box and type the website is replaced and click the replace and click the find next and click the replace in the first occurrence and click the stop, click the done and click the close. So next is click the find and editing groups to open the navigation pane. Type the opportunity in the search box to locate its text. Click the before the second highlighted incidents of the word beginning and close the navigation. So find and editing groups. Find and editing group and navigation pins. Type the opportunity. Opportunity in the search box located and click the before the seconds line and incidents of the word highlighted its incident of the word so highlight incident of the word and beginning appreciate and close the negative.